The first thing we're going to do once we've opened up Scratch is to go ahead and delete the cat. To do that, we right click and hit delete. The next thing we're going to do is add in a nice background for our game. To do that, we're going to click on this little icon that says choose a background from library. Then we're going to go under space and choose the stars background. You can choose it by double clicking on it. The next thing we're going to do is add in our spaceship. So to do that, we're going to select choose sprite from library, go under space and choose this little spaceship. Okay, now he's a little bit too big for the scene and he's also facing the wrong direction. So we're going to fix that. Head over to costumes and you'll see there are two costumes. Go ahead and delete the second one by clicking on it and then clicking this little X. Then we're going to click on our spaceship right here and use this little circle on the top to rotate it. Okay, now we have our spaceship facing in the right direction. The next thing we're going to do is make it a little bit smaller. We're going to click on this shrink tool and click on the spaceship a few times until we have it in the right size. Okay, that should do it. Now we're going to drag the spaceship and position it towards the end of our scene. The next thing we're going to do is add in the planet that the spaceship will be going towards. Again, we're going to click on choose a sprite from library, choose space and click on Earth. And we're just going to position the Earth in the corner like that. Now it's time to add in the asteroids. To do this, we're going to be painting in new sprites. So instead of selecting a sprite from library, we're going to click on this paintbrush to paint in a new sprite. And in here, we're going to create a little random ball shape. It doesn't have to be neat, and it should be jagged to look like a space rock. Now we're just going to add a few details by adding little circles or little jagged circles inside the rock. Okay, and maybe just one more, and then we're going to paint our rock. So we're going to grab the paint tool, grab a color, paint the inside, and then we're going to paint the spots around it. And there we go. The next thing we're going to do is set the center of our rock. To do that, we're going to click this little set costume center button and click right in the middle of our asteroid. Now the asteroid is a little bit too big for our scene, so we're going to shrink it a little bit. We're going to do what we did last time by clicking this shrink tool and click on the asteroid a few times. That should do it. Now our game will be too easy if we just had one asteroid. So we're going to make a few copies. To do that, we're just going to right click on the asteroid and hit duplicate. Now we have two. And we can right click again and say duplicate. There we go.
Thank you for watching this lesson. If you're interested in doing more awesome courses like this one, check out our website. Link is in the description below.